Who says you can't be a millionaire by the age of 30? Is it a myth, a far-fetched dream, or an achievable reality? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets and strategies that can catapult you into the millionaire's circle. Before we hit the big 3-0, we're not just daydreaming here. We're talking real, actionable steps that go beyond the conventional save more, spend less. From innovative income ideas to smart investment hacks, we'll explore how the young and savvy are rewriting the rules of wealth. And if you're ready to challenge the status quo and join the League of Young Millionaires, hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this life-changing journey. Number 10. Know your goals. Right? Let's get the ball rolling. Aiming for $1 million bucks? Great, but let's break it down. How will you get there? It's like planning a road trip without a map. You need specific destinations and routes. Think about it. Are you eyeing real estate, stock market wins, a booming business? Every successful millionaire starts with a clear goal. Did you know studies show that people who set detailed financial goals are 30% more likely to achieve them? So get specific. How much will you save each month? What investments will you make? This isn't just a daydream. It's your personalized blueprint to riches. Draft that financial plan like an architect sketching a masterpiece. The clearer your goals, the quicker you'll turn them into reality. Number 9. Skip the steady paychecks. Sounds a bit wild, right? But stick with me. The usual 9-to-5 gig might feel safe, but it's often a slow boat to wealth island. Did you know that over 62% of billionaires are self-made? They didn't just sit back and collect paychecks. They created their wealth. We're talking about embracing the entrepreneurial spirit. Start that side hustle, launch your startup, get into freelancing. It's about risk, calculated risk. Sure, it's scary, but remember, no guts, no financial glory. Let's put it this way. The bigger the risk, the bigger the potential reward. Think of it as jumping onto a faster track, where you're not just earning, you're multiplying. Number 8. Live beneath your means. This isn't about skimping on fun. It's about smart financial choices. Forget the flashy lifestyle for now. It's time to be a budgeting ninja, sneaky, savvy, and strategic. The less you spend, the more you can save and invest. This is crucial. Did you know that if you save just $10 a day from your 20s, you could have over $1 million by retirement? It's the magic of compound interest. We're not just talking cutting out lats. It's about making conscious choices. Do you really need the latest phone every year? Every dollar saved is a dollar that can grow. It's like planting seeds in your financial garden. The more you plant now, the more you can harvest later. Number 7. Invest in yourself. Here's a golden rule. Your brain is your biggest asset. Investing in knowledge pays the best interest, literally. It's not just about hoarding facts. It's about gaining skills that increase your value. In today's fast-paced world, the average millionaire reads at least 2 books a month. Why? Because knowledge is power, and power means earning potential. Upgrade yourself, take that online course, attend workshops, get that certification. The more skilled you are, the more doors open for you. It's not just about climbing the corporate ladder, it's about building your own ladder to success. Every new skill you learn can potentially add thousands to your income. So convert your downtime into learning time. Number 6, build connections. Ever heard? It's not what you know, but who you know? There's truth to that. Networking is a superpower in the journey to wealth. But it's not about just collecting contacts. It's about building relationships that matter. Successful people often attribute a part of their success to strong networks. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, who challenge you. Find mentors who walk the path you're on. A good mentor can be a game changer, offering invaluable insights and opening doors you didn't even know existed. Think of networking as planting seeds for future opportunities. Attend industry events, join online forums, be active on professional platforms like LinkedIn. Every new connection is a potential lead, a future business partner, or a mentor. Number 5. Keep a track. You can't manage what you don't measure. Tracking your finances is like having a GPS for your wealth journey. Start with a budget. Know what's coming in and what's going out. This isn't just about cutting back on expenses. It's about understanding where your money goes and making it work for you. Use apps or tools to track your spending and saving habits. Set financial goals, whether it's saving for an investment or cutting down on unnecessary expenses. Did you know that simply tracking your finances can improve your financial situation? It makes you more aware and accountable. Think of each financial goal as a level in a game. Every time you hit a target, you're one step closer to the ultimate boss level, becoming a millionaire. Number 4. Save to invest. Let's get real. Your savings account isn't just a rainy day fund, it's your ticket to financial freedom. The rule here is simple. Don't save just to stash away money, save with the intention to invest. It's like playing a strategic game where every dollar saved is a soldier ready to battle in the investment world. Think about the options: stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The aim? To put your money in places where it can grow exponentially. And it's not just about the big bucks. Even small investments can lead to big returns over time. For instance, if you invest in stocks, the average annual return is around 10%. So saving $100 a month could turn into over $1,000 in a year just through smart investing. Number 3, focus on multiple streams of income. Why settle for a single income source when you can build a portfolio of cash streams? It's like diversifying your financial portfolio. The more varied it is, the better. Look at side hustles. They can be anything from freelance writing to driving a rideshare. These aren't just for pocket money, they're building blocks towards your million. Rental income is another solid stream. It's like having a money tree in your backyard. Diversify with stocks, bonds, or a small business. The idea is to create as many income channels as possible. Remember, the average millionaire has 7 income streams. Each one adds to your financial strength, creating a robust and resilient income base. Number 2, grow your income. This is where the action heats up. It's not enough to just have a job. The goal is to make that job work for you. Think about enhancing your skills. Upskilling is like adding extra fuel to your career rocket. The more skills you have, the more valuable you are in the job market. Did you know that learning a new language or digital skill can increase your salary by up to 20%? And if you're entrepreneurial, think bigger. Start your own business or side hustle. Innovate, create, disrupt. It's about seeing opportunities and grabbing them. This isn't just a step. It's a leap towards your financial goals. Number 1, commit to becoming a millionaire is the big one. It all starts with a promise to yourself. It's not just a daydream, it's a mission. Write down your millionaire goal, make it your wallpaper, pin it on your fridge. This commitment is your driving force, steering you through financial ups and downs. It's a mindset shift. You're not just hoping to be a millionaire. You're planning to be one. This mindset is what separates dreamers from achievers. Remember, the journey to a million isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. It takes persistence, discipline, and relentless focus. And it starts with that unwavering commitment to yourself. There you have it, the 10-step countdown to becoming a millionaire by 30. It's not about shortcuts. It's about smart cuts. It's not just about earning. It's about learning. And remember, the journey to a million begins with a single step, your commitment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom.